Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most important machines in the woodworking industry, the bandsaw machine. Whether you're working in a small woodworking shop or a large furniture factory, this versatile machine plays a vital role in producing smooth, accurate, and efficient cuts. From cutting thick hardwood to creating intricate curved designs, the bandsaw machine has become an essential part of modern woodworking and furniture manufacturing. Every woodworking project begins with selecting the right piece of timber. Professional craftsmen carefully inspect each board for cracks, knots, moisture content, and grain direction because the quality of the raw material determines the quality of the final product. Once the wood has been selected, it is measured according to the project requirements and marked for accurate cutting. Careful planning at this stage helps reduce material waste and improves production efficiency. Before the machine is switched on, the operator performs a complete inspection. The bandsaw blade is checked for proper tension and alignment, the blade guides are adjusted close to the workpiece, and the work table is cleaned to ensure smooth movement. Modern bandsaw machines are equipped with powerful electric motors, adjustable blade guides, heavy-duty cast iron frames, emergency stop switches, and dust collection systems that improve both performance and operator safety. The most important part of the bandsaw machine is its continuous steel blade. Unlike a circular saw, the bandsaw uses a long, flexible blade that runs continuously around two large wheels inside the machine. This unique design allows the blade to cut smoothly while removing very little material, resulting in less waste and cleaner edges. Different blade widths are used for different applications. Wide blades are perfect for long, straight cuts, while narrow blades are ideal for cutting tight curves and complex patterns. Once everything is ready, the machine is started. The motor begins rotating the wheels, causing the blade to travel continuously at high speed. The operator slowly feeds the wood toward the moving blade while maintaining complete control throughout the cutting process.